Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the PERRLA Eye Exam assessment. What is a PERRLA Eye Exam? The PERRLA Eye Exam is a pupillary response test, which means that this exam will be used to gauge the pupils. The exam will assess two things in particular. First, the appearance of the pupils, and second, if they're functioning normally. PERRLA stands for pupils, equal, round, reactive to light, and accommodation. Let's break this down. P stands for pupil. Pupils are the dark circles located in the center of the iris. The function of a pupil is to regulate how much light enters your eye through shrinking in size, meaning whenever it performs its function, their size changes, with this test assessing that. E stands for equal. Pupils should have the same size. If their sizes are not the same, that might be of concern. R stands for round. Pupils are circles, so they should be round, but not perfectly so. Anything aside from roundness is important to take note of. R and L stands for reactive to light. Pupils will change sizes to control how much light enters the eyes, as mentioned. When light is shined on the eyes, the pupil should shrink. Inability to do so is also of note to consider. Finally, A stands for accommodation. The pupils also adjust their size depending on if you're focusing at looking on an object close to you or something that's a little far. If you're looking at something close, your pupils should become smaller. During this test, all dimensions are assessed, which may involve using a pen light to shoot light in certain eyes and moving the light to examine the pupils in certain directions. As a result, it is commonly used by optometrists. Here's how to use a PERRLA Eye Exam. The first step is to fill in the patient information and gather the relevant material. You'll then need to read the instructions and perform the exam as follows. The final step is to note down any observations to then incorporate within treatment. To view a sample assessment of the PERRLA Eye Exam, feel free to visit carepatron.com where you can download and access the exam for free. You can also access the exam through the Carepatron platform. Simply filter by the community section and type in the keyword to find the note. Edit however you wish. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos.